Hello, in order to set up the alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, first of all, we're gonna go to the app drawer and we need to find this app with this icon over here. Let's select it. Then at the bottom, we kind of want to make sure that the alarm category is selected. And now you should have, by default, the alarm already pre-made, but of course you can delete it or customize it. We're gonna set up our own. So in order to add an alarm, then we have this plus button located over here. It might also be in the top right corner instead. So once you press this plus button, then you can choose the time. So let's say I'm gonna choose 10 a.m. You can also switch to PM, of course, like that. You can select in which days of the week it should repeat. And you can also tap on this calendar in order to choose a specific day. Now, if you don't select any day, then it will go off the next day, pretty much. Just it's that simple. Just it will go off the next day. Now, in addition to that, we can set the name for the alarm. We can choose the alarm sound. We can also turn this off. We can also enable and disable vibration and choose the vibration. We also have snooze option and the alarm background that we can of course customize over here. Once you are done, simply press save. And there we go, we have our alarm set up. You can also see when it will go off if we turn it on. So you have the timer. And like I just shown you, we can tap on this switcher in order to enable and disable the alarm. So if you actually don't want this alarm to go off, then you can simply disable it. And in order to edit the alarm, you can simply tap on it and you can customize it. You can reopen this menu. You can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner in order to find some additional options. But that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.